today when it be the 5th day of June 2023. And you know, say anytime when you look the time like this, you will know say it don't reach the newspaper Tori review. Yes, and you still know my name now, maybe Ifunanya Okweze. And I go start the program alone, but I no go do am alone or because get one partner when he go join me for this show, my co-host Swogene. She never passed a medical test, so she still a jog. So when she passed the test, she could join me for the papers. Yes, and I go start them alone. This morning we go look the Punch, the Guardian, the Vanguard, Daily Trust, and Nigeria Observer. Now, those people we go look, and then we can't look one or two matter. When he did, then we can't do one discussion matter. Yes, make we start with the Punch. On top of the Punch, you go see say Senate query Accountant General over 910 billion naira MDA's loan. You see that one for page 37. He just they enter office and another matter just the day. When you look the other side, you see trapped funds. Foreign airline plan meeting with FG. That one still the Punch. PDP want Tinubu to make asset declaration public. That one dey page 7 for the Punch. When you can't look the Ogbonge headline when you did the Punch, you can't get the matter when you did Wakana. Say subsidy, NLC is shown FG meeting. Electricity workers back strike. That one just dey page 2. You can look the down. You see NLC fourth negotiation team. Lagos Nasarawa more state chapter join strike. Then the down you can see TUC demand salary increase for importers seek equal access to forest. Now, so for importers talk for the matter. When you look down off the Punch, you can see one Ogbonge paper. You can see some people they carry one or two things as the matter be. You can see OPEC raise Nigeria's output as Saudi Arabia cut production. You go see them for there. 18 dies in Kanu crash. FRSC boss warns against overloading. Then the last one, you can see NDLEA 339 kilogram illicit drugs in 4 states. Now, so the Punch carry on this morning. From the Punch, we go take our flight down to the Guardian. And the Guardian can say Autogas tell it as NNPC marketers breaks over 500 billion naira debt to update fuel cost. You can see the down because the darkness loom as electricity worker may shut down national grid. So the Guardian get them. When you can look down, you see why Tinubu has not appointed a spokesperson. That one day page 3. If you want to know why they never get another person when he go hold the office when former Femi Adesina hold before. Just carry the Guardian page 3. The Guardian page 3, you go see them for the NLC boycott meeting as FG TUC seek options out of Wednesday strike. That one day page 6 of the Guardian. You can see Nigeria broadband percentage drop as Texco lose 2.5 million voice customer. So that one get them. You can see another side of the Guardian. You can see 7 days into second term, Sonolu yet to make appointment. The governor of Lagos State never still make appointment, even if the second term for office. And some people say for still bring some people where they gotta work together. But we'll just keep our finger crossed. They see how that matter go work. Terrorists killed many in Zamfara community. Adopt 30 guests. You'll see that one for the Guardian and the page 7 of the Guardian. From the Guardian, we'll take our flight still, or we use power back. No, if we say we use power back, you know, say for get the way be. I can use my bicycle to run enter the Vanguard. Yes, when you look the Vanguard, because it carry this matter of the subsidy and the TUC and the federal government, but you can get your own as a subsidy. NSC Sean meeting with FG TUC seek pay rise. Now, so you get on one side of the Vanguard, because he talk about this Zamfara community when bomb people bandit and nama people can go scatter the community, keep people can carry 30 girls. You go see them for there. You can see Zenith Bank MD emerged best banking CEO in Africa. Yes, now so that one be. You can see the OPEC matter. He say OPEC cut Nigeria oil output by 20.7% to 1.38 MB. And so get them for there. You can see Senate indict AGF over failure to recover 910 billion naira short-term loan to MDA. Now, so they get them for there. You can look down. You can see when you look up at the left side of the Vanguard. You can see investment expert Eswe Tinubu economic plan make recommendations. Now, so the Vanguard get them this morning. From the Vanguard, I use my bicycle against Ekofoe matter. Enter Daily Trust, and Daily Trust just get one ogbonge big headline. It's a bandit key 62 in Sokoto, Zamfara village. So you get them. If you want to see this matter, it's just the page 4 of the Daily Trust. You can say communities attacked for refusing to pay levy. Governor Lawan order deployment of more operative. Then the front of the Daily Trust, you can see celebrating our flag bearer. You can see all the people when you win election one way or the other for APC. You can see say they celebrate them as the case may be. Now, so the Daily Trust just get the papers this morning. Then from there we go match our bicycle still to the Nigerian Observer. The Nigerian Observer can see under 20 World Cup flying goes crash out 1-0 to South Korea. Victor Osimhen, first ever Africa player to win Serie A Golden Boot. You go see that one for there. You can see ex-data commissioner appreciates staff, express gratitude to God. So you get them for there. You can see students urged to shun examination malpractice. If you want to see who they talk this one, the Nigeria Observer will give you better insight for that one. More to be completed early 2024. Now, so that one be for them. Yes, we'll look this matter when it concerns the NSC and the TUC. You know the matter. You know, say NSC can say this matter when it concerns fuel matter, we no go green. We no go green. So even the federal government, what they call FG, can't call meeting with TUC and NSC when be the Labour Congress, and those ones TUC can agree to go. You know, see the TUC in a trade union congress now be the full meaning of TUC. Why you know the full meaning of NSC? NSC can be the Nigeria Labour Congress. Can say the Nigeria Labour Congress can say, see this strike we must go on Wednesday. Nothing go stop us. But when TUC reach there, the court say, okay, una don't talk about this fuel subsidy matter. Una don't come out the fuel subsidy as una talk. Una know say things go hard for our people, and you know say you get the way things go day. So make una find the way. Una will take increase salary for them, their money, so that they go fit they meet this demand. Because if you say me that they use current minimum wage, they do this matter, get the way it be, so they can express themselves, give federal government say we no get issue if we buy fuel before NNPC price before, I think now 189 we dey buy before, no wahala. Since una come causing a 5 something, no wahala. Then una need to increase the money. If una increase the money, they no go get any issues. Our union no go get any issue. So they can't tell federal government their mind. But Labour can say, see that one when TUC wanna they do, wanna go meet federal government. No, na won't be that one. The one who first go last week. No get, we no just see any light. Even candle light we no see for there. So that one can make them can shun the meeting with federal government. Can talk say on Wednesday strike will come, strike will go. But Labour the strike no be the matter when it dey ground. People come dey talk say some kind underground thing. Come dey talk say when una no support this government, una go dey support another person when he no win election. Una forget say this kind of thing go happen. Blah blah blah. Many talk as the matter be. But people some consider talk say yes, they do the right thing. Strike. But my question when me they ask personally, strike they really they solve issues for Nigeria? Because now this country we did last year when ASU academic union of university when they strike for all close to a year last year. That one not solve any issue. So if you just ask me why the NSC not just meet the federal government, make dem see the way they take sort things, if they go join body or collabo with TUC, if they go review the minimum wage, or they go just do one or two things so that salary go up, so that people go fit dey meet demand. If minimum wage na about 30,000, maybe 30 to 33,000, why they no just join body, put body, at least minimum wage, they fight and reach 50,000? Then e go fit one way or the other, e go cushion wetin we dey talk, e go cushion the effect of the fuel subsidy matter. So that one na one thing. So as the information dey come concerning the strike matter, we dey give una the informate dey come, we dey give una small when you come still look the punch come carry down come say electricity worker back strike, meaning say those wey dey work for the electricity matter come talk say yes, we don join body with the NSC. You know say this electricity people then still dey get allocation for fuel for electricity matter, then they still dey get allocation for fuel. So maybe the budget when they right for fuel matter as e be, so e don change. So they come talk say dem don join body with the labour, and we know how the matter go be on Wednesday, if the strike go still hold or e no go still hold, if TUC go their separate way and labour go their separate way, we go know. But nothing like TUC and NSC come together, they'll come join body for one strike. They always make sense well. Yes, when you still look one matter, when we still look for the punch, when you look at it, when you talk about say PDP, they tell our president say make it declare his asset publicly. I don't know what it concern PDP, concern people salary, people money, wetin concern them, concern the money. But if he did the constitution say he go declare a asset, yes, he suppose declare am. But if not just by talk, say now people just dey do am since on their free will, that one no really concern them, because e money. We never hear say he and the EFCC, he and the ICPC get one or two issue for the matter. So that one they left for am, and so the matter go be. Yes, the one when it can interest me pass now, this Zenith Bank MD emerge best banking CEO in Africa. I know say so many people during that money matter, so many people get their own reservation with this bank. Say now they come produce one of the poor network at that time. How the country winner, another thing when need to look. And these bandits, when these Gbomo people, Nama people, when just go Zamfara community, while the Daily Trust constantly get and say they still enter Sokoto, can't kill people anyhow. I think the federal government need to find way to find how they go to stop this killy matter, as they just enter power last week. He and the security chiefs, they do meeting, and know say most of the thing when they discuss about the vandalization of our pipelines. So they just need to find a way make we take bring this thing come down, so that all these bad things no go dey happen for our community. Now 30 girls as the punch carry am, say 30 girls now, so the punch carry am, na so the Guardian carry am, say they just carry them comot, they no know where they dey, and they will just pray make life better for them. Maybe they go ask for ransom, but for now never hear anything for them at all. So we just dey hope say the matter go just cool, and just cushion am. And before we run comot for the studio, we just look wetin our Edo newspaper talk that they call the Nigerian Observer. The Observer constantly get e own, because a student urged to shun examination malpractice, and you know say examination malpractice no be better thing at all. Yes, and now the permanent secretary of Delta State Ministry of Basic and Secondary Education, Mr. Austin. I come dey talk this one say doing because of when he advise people when they want sit down for the Unity School when NECO want conduct the exam because they say exam malpractice no go take una go better place, no go give una better result. E go just make una pass, but una result wey una get, una no go fit defend am. Na so e be. And e come dey talk many things when e concern exam malpractice. Yes, and na so we go match break reach for the newspaper this morning. You fit follow us for all our social media platform, for Facebook, TMC TV, for Instagram, TMC_TV, for YouTube, TMC TV. Follow us for Radio Garden, you know I be. Which means say you download Radio Garden for your Play Store, iOS, just download them and search for TMC Radio. You go to hear us like this. And don't forget, say many of our ongoing news day, all our social media platform, and we will play on all our report for the week. Now so it be. I still remain Ifunanya Okweze. Now so I sign out for the newspaper to read this morning. On a good morning.